The first meet when we had with Conception India, they knew what we wanted for our house. Starting with the first point, it was very stressless. I mean, there is no stress at all. And Conception India actually saved us with a lot of hours of thinking and reduced with our, the way the people take the stress of, designing their home and all. But Conception India made us very, easy, calm going without any stress. So we felt really nice. Whatever design Conception India explained us and the way we wanted, it's actually a practical example of our family. This is how we wanted, and this is how we always wanted the house to be. Not really, messed up with lots of furniture, but limited whatever is required. So that is what Conception India actually gave us ideas, and we really loved it. And it is really like a dream come true with all the corner of the house. Well, for me, my kitchen is the best part. I spend most of the time, since it's also a lockdown, so almost 8 hours I'll be in kitchen. So that's my best part. I don't know about him.
तो मेरा पार्ट तो उसी बार है, छोटा सा। लॉकडाउन में वही सबसे मज़ेदार काम है, वहाँ पर बैठो आराम से चिल आउट करो। सबसे मेन पार्ट वही अच्छा है।
My personal favorite is the pebble tray. It's because after working for so long, 9 hours and 10 hours at times, when I come to living room and when I just switch on that one light with the pebble tray, the brightness, what it gives, it's actually relaxing, and it feels so good to look at the pebble tray and some nice music which makes up the mood, and that's one of the best part of my living room. Kids' bedroom.
Computer table.
Okay, he loves. I hate computer table. It's because I work more than 9 hours there, so I just started hating computer table. But the best part of the kids' bedroom, if I look at my kid, she enjoys looking at the bed. It's because of the, what do you call that? Huh?
The folding and
pulled out bed, and the poster which is there, and the exact color of wardrobe what she got, and with huge shelf, and she can place all her toys, bags and everything. Really love it. The part which I wanted is that the tray of where I keep all my cutlery and the plates. It's an easy drawer to pull out and pick up easily, not to find things, like small spoons, teaspoons, and a big or what do you say, cut cheese and all. So I can quickly, there is actually a partition where I can quickly pick up, cook. Even, my kid can go and easily pick up the spoon, whatever she wanted. So it's the best part of the kitchen. The wood, the plywood, the white, I don't know what it's called. That's the best part. Whenever you enter the room, the master bedroom, the white color plywood looks like, some French style of a bedroom. But my personal favorite is the dressing table. That's like my dream dressing table. I always wanted that. So that's the best part. First of all, thinking of interior designing, it's like a very thoughtful and very stressful decision. And we didn't know whom to approach and whom to contact with financial decisions or for making colors and all. So we got to know about Conception India with our friends, and it's like a miracle. So the first meet when we had with Conception India, they knew what we wanted for our house. And also they made us, they actually gave us stressless hours and out of the box of thoughts and ideas, which actually, and the team up, the people who actually worked in the house also, they were great. I didn't have to come every day and check what's going on. They were so helpful with so much positivity, creativity, ideas and all. So it just made us comfortable. I would highly recommend Conception India to any of my friends, or for any person who would like to make interior designing or maybe thinking of it at least. They should actually approach Conception India.
एक्चुअली इसमें एक प्लस पॉइंट को क्या लगा कि सपोज मेरा कुछ आइडियाज़ है तो वो आपके आइडियाज़ सुनेंगे, अपने आइडियाज़ बताएंगे, वो दोनों को कंबाइन करके फिर वो प्रेजेंट करेंगे. तो उसमें आप भी कन्विंस होते हैं और आपको किसी और को कन्विंस करना कि सपोज फैमिली मेम्बर किसी और को दिखाना कि ये ऐसा आइडिया है तो वो रिवील हो जाता है. मतलब उसमें सब लोग हैप्पी हो जाते हैं, मान जाते हैं.
Very approachable. They are very approachable. If number is more than 10, then it is obviously above 10. No doubt. Wardrobe, bed, क्या अच्छा लगता है? बता?
Wardrobe.
क्यों आपको क्यों अच्छा लगता है बेटा?
मुझे क्या?
Very good.